Hi, welcome to the podcast for When the Curves Line Up for January 10, 2024, describing the four-planet parade that is visible during the nighttime hours. Please see the article that includes diagrams of today's events on the website at whenthecurveslineup.com. Text by Jeffrey L. Hunt. In Chicago, sunrise occurs at 7:18 a.m. Central Standard Time, followed by sunset at 4:39 p.m. Here is today's planet forecast. In the morning sky. The four-planet parade begins each morning when Venus rises in the southeastern sky over 2 hours, 30 minutes before the Sun. Mercury follows Venus across the horizon about an hour later. Brilliant Venus and Mercury are visible in the southeast before sunrise. At 45 minutes before sunup, the morning star is about 15 degrees up in the southeast. It is in front of Ophiuchus, 7.5 degrees to the upper left of Antares, the heart of Scorpius. Venus continues to step eastward each morning. It seems to be overtaking bright Mercury as the speedy planet nears its greatest elongation from the Sun. This morning Venus is 12.2 degrees to the upper right of the solar system's innermost planet that is nearly 10 degrees above the horizon. At this hour, Mercury is the second brightest star-like body in the sky, after Venus. It is visible without the assistance of a binocular, but use the optical assist to initially locate Mercury. Because of Mercury's low altitude, height above the horizon, and Venus appearing lower each morning, find a clear view of the southeast horizon. An elevated structure or hilltop assists in seeing over any obstacles. Mars continues its slow plod into the eastern morning sky. The planet is dim as it rises less than an hour before daybreak. The crescent moon rises less than 20 minutes before the Sun. It reaches its new moon phase tomorrow at 5:57 a.m. CST, starting lunation number 1250, the number of lunar cycles since the counting began in 1923. In the evening sky. The four-planet parade continues during the evening. Jupiter and Saturn rise during the daytime and are visible after nightfall. An hour after sundown, bright Jupiter is high in the south-southeastern sky. It is slowly, but noticeably, moving eastward in front of Aries, 11.3 degrees to the lower right of Hammel, the constellation's brightest star, and 14.4 degrees to the upper right of Menkar, part of Cetus. With a binocular, look for Jupiter's moons, appearing as stars on either side of the planet. If the binocular is held steadily, up to 4 of the largest and brightest are visible. Then turn it toward the Pleiades star cluster, over 25 degrees to the left of the Jovian giant, to see a few dozen stars. Saturn, dimmer than Jupiter, is over 25 degrees above the southwest horizon. It ambles eastward in front of dim Aquarius, 8.3 degrees to the right of Skate, the Aquarian's leg, and 7.8 degrees to the lower right of Lambda Aquarii. It is over 20 degrees to the upper right of Fomalhaut, the mouth of the southern fish. During the night, the stars and planets appear farther westward from Earth's rotation. Saturn sets in the west-southwest, less than 4 hours after sundown. Jupiter is southward about an hour before the ringed wonder sets. It sets in the west-northwest during the early hours of the new calendar day. Thank you for listening. Please read the articles at whenthecurveslineup.com.